Hello, welcome to SEMA. I'm Tuncer Goren and the founder of 3D 37 years ago. In Los Angeles, California, we manufacture everything in USA. In this show, we are promoting our marine line, which is very new. And we are known best for our compounds and polishes, which was our green line. And that's also body shop and consumer products. And last year we just came up with this new line, which is, as you can see over here, the glow line. And glow line is mostly for the consumer, but still like a pro consumer. Basically, it's a better version of, I would say, supermarket brands, so this kind of products are very easy to use, and in any of the glow line you don't need to use any machines. That's the whole idea. And as you can see, that carries on up to here. Then we have our professional line. That's why it's called the Pro Series. And the Pro Series is for mostly mobile detailers, detail shops, or mostly for body shops. So we are known to make our own powders. So we manufacture everything in Santa Clarita. And recently we have joined our forces with Pro, RBL, and PNS under ATG brand. And we also partnered with High Tech to do all the accessories, chamois, brushes, you name it. So we became like a complete company that carries almost everything that a detailer or refinishing company needs. So you're welcome to look around and ask any questions if you have. Basically, from, as I showed you, from the machines to professional line, from microfibers, we are a complete group that sells everything. And all our tools are very professional, and they are mostly cordless. And this is a this is very new. This is an all-in-one compound and polish and sealant for the gel coats and RVs and boats. And this is a compound designed for gel coats again. And it's actually a two-step. When you sand the boat, it's a two-step product. But if you don't need to sand it, you can just use this one for a better finish, but the boat has to be in a better condition. But if you have to do the deep polishing, you need to go with cutting and polishing. And finally, with this finished product. Again, thank you for coming to our booth, and hope you have a good day.